How to use Base54 complete beginner tutorial. So this is basically a little guide by Base44 over here. So you can do this and use its features once you've logged in, but it should be a pretty simple process. Just go ahead to Base44 website or the app and then just log in. But for more information about Base44, so its interface is split into two main sections. So the left side with the AI chat and the right side where the app review and dashboard is. So the primary action of the AI chat is to use natural language prompts to build and refine your app. And there are elements at the bottom of the screen where you should be able to explore a bit further. There's a preview dashboard where you can manage user and invite collaborators and do much more. Additional tools and icons like activity monitors where you can see all files, share and collaborate, mobile view, refresh, and a full screen preview. But if you want to go ahead and learn much more about Base44's features and information, just go ahead to your preferred browser and search for the Base44 Quick Start Guide. And you should be able to find something like this, where it is the Base44 support documentation. If you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see stuff like how to build your first app step by step, understanding credits, and much more. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.